Once upon a time, in the heart of Sherwood Forest, lived the legendary outlaw Robin Hood and his band of merry men. They were known throughout the land for their bravery, loyalty, and unmatched archery skills. One sunny morning, word reached them that an archery contest would be held in the town square of Nottingham, and the grand prize was a golden arrow. But there was more to it than that. The sneaky sheriff of Nottingham had cunningly devised the contest as a trap to capture the famed Robin Hood. Robin's eyes sparkled with mischief as he gathered his merry men, Little John, Friar Tuck, and Will Scarlet. "I must go to the contest," Robin declared, his voice filled with determination. "The golden arrow must be ours, and we must outsmart the sheriff at his own game." Little John, who was as strong as an ox and Robin's closest friend, laughed heartily. "And how do you plan to do that without getting caught, my friend?" "Ah, you'll see, my dear friend," Robin replied with a wink. He had a plan, clever and daring. The day of the contest came, and the town square was bustling with people from all walks of life. Flags waved in the breeze, and the crowd cheered as the archers took their aim. Disguised as a humble peasant, Robin arrived at the contest, blending in with the common folk to avoid suspicion. He watched as archers from all over the kingdom drew their bows, each one trying to reach the heart of the target. But none could match the legendary skill of Robin Hood. When his turn came, he stepped forward with confidence, drawing the bowstring back with the ease of a swan gliding over water. Whack! The arrow flew straight and true, hitting the center of the target with a precision like no other. The crowd erupted into applause, and the sheriff squirmed uneasily in his chair, his plan beginning to unravel. As the contest concluded, Robin was declared the winner, and the golden arrow was awarded to him. But as he stepped forward, the sheriff's guards closed in, ready to seize their prey. Little did they know that Robin had anticipated this move all along. With a playful grin, Robin tossed his cloak into the air, momentarily distracting the guards. Then, with the agility of a fox, he darted through the crowd, his merry men causing delightful chaos to aid their leader's escape. Climbing onto a nearby horse, Robin waved the golden arrow triumphantly and galloped towards the forest. His merry men followed suit, their laughter echoing through the trees. "We did it, lads!" Robin cheered, as the forest enveloped them once more. "The sheriff will have to try harder next time." And so, the clever Robin Hood and his merry men returned to Sherwood Forest, the golden arrow as a shining testament to their daring and unity, always one step ahead of the cunning sheriff of Nottingham.